The idea is that one focuses his mind 24 hours a day on the Lord by chanting His holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. By worshipping the deity. You see, just like here, they have established Nitai Gaur, Rukmini Dwarkadish, Jagannath, Subhadra, Balaram, deities. This is Krishna Himself. These are not idols. We're not idol worshippers. According to the Vedas, they have given a description, what does God and His great devotees look like? And it describes that because God is omniscient and omnipotent, that if one makes a form in His image, according to the scriptures, and begins to worship, extol that according to the Vedic rites, that He Himself manifests within that very form. He is personally present. That's much different if I just say make an image of a cow or of anything and say, all right, this is God and worship. That's idolism. You see, that is not allowed. I cannot do by my imagination. But actually, God or Krishna, He's a person. He's got a form. He's got His friends. He's got His loved ones. He loves all of you. He loves all of us. Because we are His children, but we have simply turned our face from Him. Therefore we are suffering in this material world. And when we turn our face back to Krishna, then everything is illuminated. So these deities, they are Krishna Himself. Because we don't have the pure vision to see Him. So He has taken a vision in what appears to be a marble form or a wooden form. But He is actually present. So many devotees, they worship. And they can feel the presence of Krishna. Now, this is all authorized by the scriptures. This is not something we've concocted. This is practiced all over India, all over the world. In every Hindu's home, one can find a picture or a deity of the Lord, Krishna or Ram or some deity. Krishna is the supreme of all the deities. There are so many demigods, like Shiva, Durga. They are all worshipable. We worship all of them. But they are known as, just like Lord Shiva known as Vaishnavanam Jata Sambhu. He's the greatest Vaishnava. He's the greatest devotee. Although He Himself is the great controller, He can give so many facilities. But He is also a devotee of Krishna. So all these things are great secrets which are revealed in the Bhagavad Gita and in the Srimad Bhagavat and in the different Vedic scriptures. So, just like here is being practiced the secret of worshipping the Lord, this is a process known as Archana. It's a process of yoga, part of the Bhakti Yoga system. This can be practiced in everyone's home. They can have a small deity of Krishna and worship with incense, offer a little fruit, a flower, water, chant Hare Krishna. And the whole house, you see, they can all get together. This creates a united family. Once a week, if the whole family gets together, chants before the deities, Hare Krishna, takes a little sweet meat and fruit, prasad. You see, we place the food before Krishna and chant, then we take that. That is considered to be sanctified foodstuff. The feast that is served here is all offered food. This is sanctified. By taking that food, one becomes purified. So we'd like that every household should have these deities of Krishna, small deities or big, according to one's ability, husband and wife. They should worship, and thus their relationship, Krishna is brought in their house, just like one of their children, you see, just like one of their own family members. And He is worshipped in that mood as the dearmost Lord of the family. You see, center of the whole household. So that is called a Krishna conscious house, and it becomes protected from all dangers by Krishna. If there are any dangers, just like the Pandavas, the great devotees in the Mahabharata, there are so many dangers, but they were saved by every step by Krishna. So when we take the shelter of Krishna, we become protected. So this is known as the practice of Bhakti Yoga, or a practice of devotional service. The yoga of love. We learn to give our mind, our speech, and our body in service to Krishna.